Hello. In this part, I will talk about differential length, area and volume in case of cylindrical coordinate system. So this figure shows point P. You can see here point P. Point P is what? This is point here, rho, phi and z, and point Q. This is rho plus d rho, phi plus d phi, z plus dz. So Q is obtained by incremental infinitesimally, each coordinate from its value at point P. So these increment make a small box of differential length element d rho, rho d phi, and you can see here, if you see that the differential length is d rho, and here this is rho d phi is this side, and dz, this is dz here, this is dz, d rho, dz and rho d phi. So the vector displacement TL from P to Q is given by, is equal to unit vector A rho d rho plus unit vector A phi rho d phi plus unit vector Az dz. Equation 1. And the differential areas is given as ds rho is equal to rho d phi dz unit vector A rho ds phi d rho z d rho dz unit vector A phi ds z is equal to rho d rho d phi unit vector Az. Consider this equation 2. So these are the differential areas which I have written here. So the incremental volume is given by, incremental volume is given as rho d rho d phi dz. Equation 3. So the differential normal surface areas in cylindrical coordinates are given as, you can see here, this surface area is here rho d phi and this is dz, and this is unit vector A rho normal to that surface, differential area dz d rho, this is normal to that surface, unit vector A phi, and surface area d rho rho d phi, this is normal to that surface, unit vector AR. So these are the differential surfaces, volumes and incremental length in case of cylindrical coordinate system. You can see here, this is a table through which you can easily learn what are the differential surface areas. ds rho equal to rho d phi dz unit vector A rho, ds phi equal to d rho dz unit vector A phi, dsz equal to rho d rho d phi unit vector az, and differential volume is dv equal to rho d rho, and here you can see that rho d rho d phi dz. So differential volume is basically rho d rho d phi dz. This is the differential volume. In next part, I will show you the spherical coordinate system and their differential length, differential area, and differential volume. Thank you.